Yo, what is up, everybody? This is Kush and Tech here, and today I am going to be talking to you about why you shouldn't copy work from anyone or anywhere. And copying work from everyone has copied work from from at least one source or one person at least once in their life, either at work or during school. And like, we need to find a way to not to break the habit of copying work, because copying work has become more common increasingly. Everyone's doing it more over the years, and we need and copying work can lead to so many huge consequences. And don't forget to click that like video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ring on that notification bell to get notified about more videos. When you copy work from other people, and when you copy work from other people, and like when you or from other places, like, it does not build cognitive development. Like, if you let the calculator calculate a math problem, your brain isn't doing any work, or your brain is just resting there doing nothing, while the calculator does the work for you. And like, whenever your brain is just resting there doing nothing, it does not develop. Cognitive development does not happen, because your brain is not, doing work. And when your brain does the work, it increases your cognitive development. Like, for instance, in order to, increase your cognitive development, let's say for example get rid of your calculator or any sources, just only you and the paper, and write and think it thoroughly. And if you struggle, if you struggle or think very thoroughly, your brain is your brain is going through cognitive development if you struggle. And if you get it wrong, it's okay. Your cognitive If you get the answer wrong, but you did it all in your brain, it's okay. You'll perform better next time, when because your cognitive development improved, but you didn't get the correct answer. Copying work from any other sources doesn't build critical thinking skills, because your brain isn't doing any work, and you're not thinking anything. Your brain is you're not thinking anything, and you're just letting the other thing do it for you, and you're not even doing any thinking about what will happen. And by not doing any thinking, it can lead to huge disastrous consequences, such as, not helping you in the long run. let's see not helping you get a job, not helping you get money, not helping you so many things. If you don't think, then if you just do stuff without thinking, it can you'll end up suffering in the long run, and it can lead to negative consequences if you do stuff without thinking. And but if you do it without any notes or without any devices, and if you just use your brain, you're thinking it thoroughly. And if you think it thoroughly, it will help you in the long run, and it will benefit you so much, and you'll learn so many things if you think through it. When you copy work from other people, it doesn't improve or build any of your logic skills. And for example, if you're a developer, if you copy work from off of GitHub, or if you copy work off the website, or if you copy work copy the code from nodes and paste it, it doesn't improve your coding logic. And the only way to improve your coding logic is to break the problems into smaller chunks. For example, if you for example, if you want to add something, you have to break it into one tiny part, and that's it. And also it doesn't improve your coding logic because like it doesn't help. It doesn't improve your coding logic because it doesn't help you, like, let's see, it doesn't help you, let's see, like, if you let people do work for you, and if you let the web or sources do work for you, you're not using your brain. In order to improve your logic, you have to use your brain and do critical thinking for it. When you, let's say, cheat or when you copy off work, it doesn't help you in the long run. Like, for instance, like if you like plug in, like do a math problem and use it on Symbolab or anything, you'll if you use it on Symbolab or like any like calculator and let it do the work for you, and when you have like an exam later and like and you're not allowed to use any notes, not even a calculator, you'll probably end up getting that question wrong, and you'll lose like a huge portion of your grade, and your grade will go down severely, and like you'll be accused of academic dishonesty and end up getting a zero because like your brain does not develop, and like you don't understand how to do the work. You're just only plugging it into the calculator and letting the calculator do the work for you, and you without you understanding the work or how understanding the work, or without you like knowing like how to solve that problem, and how to solve that problem on your own without the calculator, which doesn't help you in the long run. Let's see, when you copy work off the web or like any source, your brain isn't doing any work, and you're not solving the problem you're not solving the problem by yourself. Like, for instance, like if you, let's see, copy code off of GitHub, you're not understanding what is the problem, and you're not solving the problem yourself. You're having other people solve the problem for you, and like when if you don't solve the problem yourself, you're gonna suffer in life, and it's gonna be very hard for you in life because everyone has to do problem solving throughout life. For instance, if you work at a restaurant and and there's a problem going on with like the food ordering, you have to understand what's the problem and how we can like solve the problem instead of like having it other. Like if you're the only one working in a restaurant by yourself, and like if you don't know anything, it doesn't help you in the long run if you copy from other people. You have to do everything yourself and solve the problem yourself eventually, which builds so many problem solving skills. When you copy work from others, you don't get any credit or any points for that assignment. Like, for instance, like if you like copy work from others and if they find out you cheating, you get 0 points on that assignment, which and they give you a reason why you do that. It's because like you don't understand how the problem works and like how it happens and all that, and like and to make sh- and like if you want to understand like how the problem works and all that, you first gonna have to like if you want to, let's see, earn credit for that, you're gonna have to, let's see, try your best on it. Even if you don't complete it, you'll still get some credit. It's better than no credit. And like, for example, if you get all test pass running with copying the work, you'll get 0 points for that, which can hurt your grade by a lot. But like if you let's see, if you don't copy, and if you get less than 10% of the test passing, you'll get credit for it, and you'll end up passing, and you'll end up, let's see, having a higher chance of passing the class, and you'll learn so many things, and you'll get credit for that. And that, let's see, some credit is better than no credit, so just try your best on the assignments without copying, and just so you and if you copy and get like if you get 100% on all test passing, you'll get with copying you'll get a 0. But if you like get like, let's say, 50% of the test passing, you'll get like some points, which is better than no points. let's see, when you copy work off the website or anything, you don't get paid any money, or like you get paid $0 for doing it at your job. Like for instance, if you copy like code as a developer, if you copy code off the web, you'll get $0 added onto your paycheck for that assignment. And like if you like see like for YouTube, if you like copy a video off of YouTube, you'll get $0. You'll get you won't get monetized for that video, for that copied video, if you like do if you do if you do that and all that. And if, for example, if you copy, let's see, something for what other person does, let's see, from like at your job, like at working in a restaurant, you won't get paid. Like your pay could go down, and like you won't get paid for that. It'll come out of your paycheck. And like if you copy work from others, like whenever you're working a job, like money can come out of your paycheck, and you'll get $0 for doing that, and it comes out of your paycheck.